For a while, I've had a bit of a question. What happens when you take a Nintendo console, this is a Nintendo DSi XL, and reformat it, reset it, if you have games already pre-installed? Do those games go away? Do they stay? I've been a bit curious. And getting this console working kind of gave me that ability, and I'll show you now. I put this sticky note on here just to keep the previous owner's details hidden. So in this console, we've got this arts and letters and these old brain training things. Anyway, I'd like to know whether or not these games will remain or whether they'll be gone. So what I'm going to do now is try and reset this. And for anyone wondering, I did manage to get a stylus. Turns out I had ordered a bunch of these with the last one I purchased. So, whoops. So I'm just going into the settings option, page 4, and format. And format. Make sure format. Whoops. Let's try that again. Format, format, and format. I'm probably going to have to give this a bit of a better clean. This is taking a while. Okay, now it's done. I've never gone through the setup on a DSi. This will be interesting. Interesting, I don't see Australia in here. Is this even a... Oh, this is an American console. Huh. Yeah, USA. Whoops. I thought this was an Australian console. So it's the 3rd of the 8th, I believe, month. Bloody Americans. 2018. And I don't have the time on me. Okay. So it's 2:32. That should be about right. I think with this I'll go with light blue. No, dark blue, light green, no, light blue. Now let's see if we have our, let's see if we still have our games. Ooh, pre-installed games still appear to be here. That's interesting. Now it should be noted that I do not have an SD card in here. That's not installed. And with that, my little learning experience has been completed. Oh, here we go. Error, no compatible points. Okay, so what I have here, it turns out to be a US console, which I wasn't expecting. I probably should have looked at this better, but oh well. I have to admit, it has been interesting to see that, yes, pre-installed games, well, at least in this case, those two games did remain after the system format, which is good to know. And with that, I've learnt something that potentially useless information. Anyway, turn it off, close the lid. That's the video. See ya.